Police erected barricades just outside the Georgetown Magistrate's Court just before the case in which private criminal charges brought against the chairman of the Ghana Elections Commission and APNUFC appointed commissioners were thrown out. The case, which was swiftly dealt with by Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan, saw civil engineer Marcel Gaskin alleging that there was a conspiracy to breach Article 106 of the Constitution of Ghana, which stipulates that elections should be held by March of this year, following the December successful passage of the no-confidence motion. Magistrate Anne McLennan saw the charges as an abuse of the court system and frivolous. Attorney-at-law Sanjeev Dattadin, who represented Gaskin, spoke to reporters after the case was dismissed.
What the court has a doubt about is whether the offence at common law of a conspiracy to breach the Constitution. So she was concerned about that. And she said she wasn't satisfied about that, essentially. At least that was my understanding.
The magistrate's decision, according to Dattadin, is not an indication that the matter is over.
Litigation is not intended to work that way. So we have filed a charge. The magistrate has made a ruling. There's another court to go to where we will raise what we were essentially raising in this court about the ruling and about the charges and whether they could be validly brought. At this time, the magistrate did have a concern, which I believe might have been an operative concern, that it should have been filed after the 21st of March. But I think that's what you're referring to about whether it will be refiled after the 21st of March.
Charges were not laid against the opposition-appointed commissioners, according to Dattadin, since they were taking steps to fulfill the mandate under the Constitution. Attorneys Robert Corbin, Neil Boston and others, who appeared on behalf of the GCOM chair and the three commissioners, labelled the charges Mickey Mouse charges and agreed with the move by the magistrate to have them dismissed. Handel Duncan, HGB Nightly News.